iPhone 9 Plus is confirmed. Well guys, with the upcoming iPhone 9, Apple is also going to be launching the iPhone 9 Plus. In today's video, I am going to be discussing the latest news. I am going to be telling you the specifications regarding the design and basically everything you need to know about this iPhone. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and from smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, we were having very small little hope that Apple will launch a bigger version of the iPhone 9, but finally recently 9to5Mac got their early access on iOS 14 and they are searching for all the possible traces that they can find. And guys, recently couple of hours ago they got the first news regarding the iPhone 9 Plus. In the developer beta of iOS 14, this thing is confirmed. There is a clear mentioning for the iPhone 9 Plus, and this thing only says one factor, that iPhone 9 Plus is coming with the iPhone 9. So guys, if you're planning to buy the iPhone 9, then now you have with you two alternatives. Either you can go for the smaller 4.7-inch iPhone, or you can go for the 5.5-inch iPhone 9 Plus. So guys, now let me come towards the design and the specifications of this iPhone. Well guys, with both of these iPhones, you're going to be having the A13 Bionic chip, the latest and the greatest chipset by Apple, which is one of the fastest chipset out there. So guys, in terms of performance, you are very good. You are having the best performance out there, and also with both of the smartphones, you are going to be getting 3GB of RAM. 3GB of RAM in an iPhone is very good, and you will have a smooth experience for a longer period of time. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the design of this iPhone. Well guys, the iPhone 9 is going to be little thicker than the iPhone 8, and it is going to be having the Apple logo in the exact center of the iPhone, and the main camera is going to be taken from the iPhone 11. Whereas with the iPhone 9 Plus, you are going to be getting the exact same display and exact same size that of the iPhone 8 Plus, but you are going to be getting a little more slightly thicker body, and also the Apple logo is going to be coming in the exact center of the iPhone. But guys, we are with a little confusion regarding the camera. Well guys, the iPhone 8 Plus has a dual camera setup, whereas the iPhone 9 is going to be coming with a single camera. So the iPhone 9 Plus might just come with a single camera instead of a dual camera. Well guys, the iPhone 11 has the dual camera setup, and hence if Apple is going to be launching a budget end iPhone, then they will not include the dual camera setup. So it is looking like Apple will launch this iPhone 9 Plus with the exact same single camera that of the iPhone 11. So guys, we are not confirmed regarding the camera of the iPhone 9 Plus, but except a single camera or even a dual camera. So guys, honestly, the upcoming iPhone 9 Plus is a big confusion, because this iPhone is going to be starting at $499, $100 more than the iPhone 9. But if you'll keenly observe, then the iPhone XR is available for the exact same price tag. In India, this iPhone 9 Plus will come around 40 to 45,000 rupees, for which you can get the iPhone XR currently. So guys, it does not make any sense for Apple to launch an older design iPhone for the exact same pricing as that of the iPhone XR. iPhone XR is having a modern look, and overall it is a very great smartphone. But if Apple will launch the iPhone 9 Plus with an older design and the latest internals, it will appeal to many people. But obviously the question of the design will come forward, and the iPhone XR will be way better than the iPhone 9 Plus. So guys, many people have this confusion, and that is recently Apple has announced that they will conduct the WWDC in the month of June, and that will be an online event. So everybody thinks that the March event and the WWDC is a single event, but in reality both events are different. In the March event, Apple will launch products like the iPhone 9, the iPhone 9 Plus, the iPad Pro, the AirTags, and most likely a product-red Apple Watch. And there are still couple of products that I have left on, but in this March event, Apple will launch the hardware products, and in the June event, Apple will launch all of the software products. So guys, the iPhone 9 and the iPhone 9 Plus will be launched on 31st of March or in the first week of April. Whenever Apple will launch these products on their website, I will try my level best to bring the video as soon as possible. So if you want to stay updated regarding these smartphones, then definitely consider subscribing to our channel. We want to complete 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and it can only happen with your support. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.